Today I'm putting a idle winterization system in the van. As you can see, I got the driver's seat blown out, battery compartment opened up. I pulled the main battery. What I'm doing is putting this heater in underneath the battery. This thermal regulates, so when it gets really cold, as long as it's plugged in, the battery will stay warmer. It'll turn on and off as needed. I'm also going to put in this little battery conditioner. This is a Noco Genius 2D. This will condition the battery and keep it maintained so it doesn't discharge too much when it's sitting idle. I'm also adding this thermal heater to the oil pan underneath the engine compartment. All of these will tie into a junction box that'll be waterproof, and then that main line will go all the way back. I installed this oil pan here by sanding the area thoroughly and cleaning it, then sticking the pad to it, and then I went back over it with the supplied caulk. So I joined the wires of both heaters and the battery conditioner behind the battery compartment over here in a waterproof housing, and then ran them to the electrical compartment in the back of the vehicle. In my electrical compartment here, I have an AC breaker panel that the shore power is tied to. One breaker goes out to the inverter charger, so I added a second breaker to tie my new circuit into, powering the battery maintainer, battery heater, and oil pan heater. This allows me to turn off the idle winterization system independently of the shore power. This new system allows me to keep my van at the ready during times of extreme cold, or if it's been sitting idle for a long period of time, by maintaining my battery voltage and keeping my battery and my oil pan at reasonable temperatures.